All right, guys, this video is going to cover two things. We're going to cover how to enter in your mailing list and also how to add social links to the bottom of your website. All right, we're going to make this super easy and super comprehensive. I've already logged into my email service provider, which I'm using is Klaviyo for a client. So once you set up your Klaviyo account, you have to go to klaviyo.com/login to set this up. If you want to set up a email account, again, this isn't something that you have to do. This is more of an advanced feature that your website has the capability of doing. So you setting this up is going to be self-service for you as the business owner, because not all businesses would want to set this up. So what this does is basically allows people to reach out to you, to your business, to stay updated with sales, newsletters, and if you're doing like email blast. So currently on the free plan that Klaviyo offers, their free plan is free up to 250 email subscribers. Once you get over 250, it's $20 a month, and then their plan goes up and up from there the more email subscribers that you get. So this is how it works. It's two different type of email services. It's called double opt-in and single opt-in. With double opt-in, that means they have to basically put their email there, and then they'll put their information in again to subscribe to your newsletter. So when you have a free plan, you can only have double opt-in. Once you pay for their plan, which is the minimum $20 a month, you can have single opt-in, which means once they put their email in at the bottom of the website, they're automatically opted into your emails, right? So here's the back office of me being logged in inside of a client's Klaviyo account. When you set up your email list, basically you're going to go into your back office of your website, and you know by now to select customize. And if you have a bigger theme, you have one of our master themes, you're going to scroll all the way down. Well, this will be the same as the InstaShop or our master theme. You'll click where it says either mailing list, or you'll click footer, one of the two. So you click footer, and then in here, I'm actually going to click mailing list. So it's another instructional video here, but I'm making a more advanced video with more details. It's saying Klaviyo list ID, right? If you look at it, it says list ID. It does not say segment ID. So when you go in here to your Klaviyo, you notice the difference that this says segment, then it says list. So you can either create a list fresh from scratch, like a newsletter. So if I select create a list, I can create a newsletter. Like this one is already created. So basically create list. You'll name it list. You'll name it newsletter or sign up, whatever you want to name it, and then you just select create list. So I'm just going to do newsletter 2 for display purposes. You don't have to worry about selecting tags. All right, and then it says create a sign up form or add a subscriber page. You don't have to do any of that, right? You don't worry about this right here. But I mean, if you wanted to create a sign up form, it shows you how to build a form and all that stuff, but you don't have to worry about any of that. Just select list and segments again. So now I have the list created. Now I need the code because it's saying list ID, example M . So I already have a list ID here. Yours will not show an ID because this has already been connected, right? But if I wanted to connect that mailing list, I would click back here. I'll click where it says newsletter list, and then I'll click settings. And the list ID is right here. It says list ID and name. I'll grab that. I'll Control C it, or if you have a MacBook, Command C. I recommend you make sure you're in like a Google Chrome browser versus a Safari browser. So I just copy this, copy. I go back here and I just paste it, and I'll paste it over this. I'm not going to paste over this ID because the correct one is already connected, which is connected to newsletter 1 basically, right? It's already connected to this one. So if I click here, newsletter, I click settings, this newsletter code is already there. It's done properly. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you, like I said, get the paid service, you can check this box that says single opt-in, but this won't work until you have the paid plan. So that's how to do your newsletter mailing list. All right. So in this same option of footer, if you want to add social links, you'll click add content. You click social links, and you can add social links. We have, Instagram down to LinkedIn. You would do www.instagram.com/ your Instagram's name. So this client's Instagram name is ADSUWA / hair. I click it, and now the Instagram link pops up right there at the bottom. Right? But what if you don't like it at the bottom? You just grab it and you drag it, and now it shows at the top. What if you don't like it this color? All you have to do is click this social icon, and I can click a color that's already being used on the website. All right. Same thing for Facebook. It's www.facebook.com/ your business name. And then the Facebook symbol will pop up. Same thing for YouTube. You drop your YouTube channel, the YouTube channel will pop up, right? Even for her newsletter button, if I click into footer and I scroll down and I click mailing list, I can change the color of that button right here to make it give a little style. All right. So now that's done. Save it. That's how you connect your newsletter and your social links. All right.